Welcome to Homestyle Flavors. Friends, any celebration is incomplete without cake. What can be better than baking a cake at home for your loved ones? So today's recipe is a pineapple and strawberry upside down cake, which is going to be a healthy version, of course, and I'm sure that you're going to love this recipe. So I've started by preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I have lined my baking tray with a parchment paper and butter. So let's check out the ingredients of the recipe. So my ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of sugar. I have taken here coconut palm sugar to make it healthier. You can use white sugar or powdered sugar. 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup of semolina, half a cup of oil, about 2 tablespoons of butter, some pineapple chunks, about 1/3 cup, half a cup of strawberry. I have cut the strawberry into halves. Then I need here 1 cup of yogurt or sour curd and 4 to 5 slices of pineapple. And we will also need baking soda, baking powder, salt, pineapple essence and some yellow food color. It is completely optional to use a food color. If you don't want to use, you can skip it. So let's start preparing our cake batter. So in a bowl, let's take about 1 cup of sugar, add in oil. Then I'll add my yogurt, about 1 cup of yogurt I have taken, mix it, and we will beat this with a hand blender. You can use butter if you want, but I'm making it healthier, so I'm using oil. Now let's fold in our dry ingredients. Now I'll add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, cut and fold, cut and fold. I'll add semolina, one teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of pineapple essence, 4 to 5 drops of food color. Now give it a mix. Remember to cut and fold, cut and fold. Now I'll add in some pineapple chunks. Now our cake batter is ready. Now we will prepare some caramel sauce to pour over our pineapple chunks. So for that, we will heat 2 tablespoons of butter, one-fourth cup of coconut palm sugar. Again, you can use here white granulated sugar or brown sugar. Now I have decorated the base of my baking tray with pineapple rings and strawberries. We are going to pour the caramel sauce over this, and then we will pour in our cake batter. Since we have already added 1 cup of sugar in our cake batter, I am not adding much of a caramel sauce because I still want to make it healthy. Now let's pour in our cake batter. The smell of caramel and pineapple together, it smells divine. Trust me guys, you're going to love this cake. So my oven is preheated and ready at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to bake this cake for 40 to 45 minutes. So let's get baking. So our cake is baked and out of the oven. Let's check it. It comes out clean. Now I will let it cool for about half an hour, and then we will demold it. So now our cake is cooled. Now let's try to demold it. Big moment. Yay! You can see this has turned out really beautiful. It just looks amazing the way it is, and if you want you can dust it with some powdered sugar, then you can slice it up. So friends, our healthy pineapple and strawberry upside down cake is ready, and this cake is so amazing. It's very spongy, fluffy inside and juicy outside, and it's so tempting. When are you going to try this healthy treat at home? Please let me know in the comments. Keep watching. Stay tuned to Homestyle Flavors for more such healthy recipes. Take care. Happy cooking. Bye bye.